Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get into a Windows 8.1 account if you don't have the password. So here's the account. We will try the password. As you can see, it's a random password, and it did not work. So, in order for this to work, you have to have the installation CD, and in order to get that, you can just go to Google and search for Windows 8.1. ISO. And you can just download it straight from Microsoft. And so you just select the edition, 8.1, confirm, and then you choose your language. Confirm. Then whichever one you want. I did 32-bit. I already have it downloaded. So you click that, you wait for it to install. Then on your virtual machine or whatever machine you have, you would put it onto a CD. But since I have a virtual machine, I have it selected. So I will now restart the machine. I'll press F12 to tell it to boot from CD, C, and I will click Enter for it to boot into the CD. Okay, so you'll go to Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and you get the command prompt. That is what we want. So from here, we will try to see which directory the files are on that we want. So first start with the C directory. Okay, it's not there. So the D directory. Alright, so it's here. Windows is on this directory. There's users. So then we want to change our directory from to the users. And so these are the users listed. We want Hack Me. So we'll go back to the main directory and then go change directory, Windows, System 32. So from here we're going to rename the on-screen keyboard so that when we choose on-screen keyboard, it brings up a command prompt. So I'm just renaming it to on-screen keyboard old, and then changing the command file to the on-screen keyboard. Alright, so after that, I'm going to quit out, turn off the machine, start it back up. This time we don't have to boot from the virtual machine, so I won't click anything, or from the CD, so I won't click anything. And so it now boots up normally. And so if we go here to on-screen keyboard, now the command prompt opens. So we're going to type in net user to see the users. And administrator guest, those aren't set up, and then hack me. So we will choose net user, and then since there's a space in this username, we'll go for quotes. And then a star for changing the password. So now it says to type in a password. So we'll go and make the password let me in. I'll then confirm it. Okay, so it said it completed successfully, so let's try it out. And here you see that I typed in let me in. And there we go. We are now in.